Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by opening the Word file and saving a backup copy so you can undo big mistakes. Next, find the picture and click it to reveal handles that confirms it's selected. If nothing appears, the image may be behind text or in the header. Open Layout Options or the Selection pane, Home select Selection pane to identify it. Once you can see it in the pane, you're ready to remove it cleanly without disrupting surrounding content. Once the picture is selected, decide how it behaves. Inline images delete instantly with delete or backspace. Floating images may need a right-click and cut, or change wrap text to in front of text before deleting. If the image is embedded in a header/footer, switch to header/footer view and remove it there. For multiple or invisible objects, use the selection pane to select several items and press delete. Make sure to preview page layout. Finish by scanning the document pages to ensure text reflows and no blank spaces remain. Adjust paragraph spacing if needed. If something went wrong, press Ctrl+Z immediately or reopen the backup copy you saved earlier. For stubborn or hidden images, run View Draft and use the selection pane, or use File Info Check for issues Inspect Document to remove header/footer or hidden content. If deletion fails, the image might be embedded in an object or field. Convert to editable and remove.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.